Hey, what's up guys? It's Beverly from Down Creative Studios, here with another episode of Cricut for Cosplay. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Maker and your Cricut Explorer to cut thermoplastics, like these. So I'm going to give you all of the settings that you need to cut styrene, Terraflex, Thibra, black Worbla, and everyone's favorite, TranspArt. So it's actually not very difficult to cut thermoplastics with your Cricut machines. The first thing is you need the stronghold mat. The next thing you'll need is some kind of sticky sheet to help keep that material stuck to your mat. So I like to use removable vinyl from Cricut. You can also use Cricut's transfer tape, or you could use any other kind of tape. As long as it sticks to the mat and comes off your material, go crazy. The next thing you're going to need is either the knife blade, which is only compatible with the Cricut Maker, or the deep blade, which is compatible with both machines. I recommend that you use the knife blade, and that's what this tutorial is going to be mainly focused on. You'll also need tape. This is for the edges of the material, so you can make sure that your material doesn't slide off that mat. Believe me, it really sucks when your material slips off a 2-hour-long cut. The last thing that you're gonna need, which is probably the most important thing, is patience and time. And that's actually 2 things. But you're gonna need both of those things. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. Step 1, load the knife blade. Place the adhesive on the mat, sticky side up. This helps keep your material stuck to the mat. Then place your material on the mat and tape down all of the edges. Move the rollers to the side, or if you can keep the rollers on the material, move them to the center. Open your file in Design Space and make sure you have the line type set to cut. Choose Make It. Align your artwork on the mat and click Continue. Choose your machine and connection. Click Browse All Materials. Choose Wood and then choose Basswood 1/16 of an inch. And click Done. Load the mat and begin your cut. It's so easy! The only thing you're going to change though are the number of times you're going to press this little C button right here on the Maker. If you press that little C button, it will do one more cut on your material. And you can push that button as many times as you want. You could keep cutting all day long. I mean, don't, but if you need 4 or 5 more cuts, you can do it. These are the settings that I use. So those of you with a Cricut Explore Air 2, you can still do all of these things too. The one thing you're going to do is keep pressing this C button. It's going to take you much longer to cut the same stuff as the Maker would, but it's still possible. So that's pretty good news. Well, thanks for tuning in, you guys. I hope this helps you out with your own projects. If you haven't seen it already, definitely don't miss my other episode about cutting and scoring EVA foam. Thanks for watching and happy crafting. I can do this now.